the late Mr. Mukaru Ng'ang'a. I'm very happy. His case, he struggled a lot to bring this case ahead when he was alive, but it was not possible. But now, at least, if the former president who really tortured him, we needed just a word because no compensation can be adequate. Yeah, can be adequate. Yeah. Yeah.
We need an apology from the former government.
We need an apology from an official apology. And, yeah.
The mistreatment.
For the mistreatment he went through and the family went through. Yeah.
Yes, I am the daughter of the late Mukaru Ng'ang'a, and I'm really happy because we've been really coming to this court to get justice for our father. And we are so happy that today, it was the day when his case was recognized, the suffering he underwent, the torture, and we are also here to tell the other families that we've been waiting for so many years to get this closure. Our brother, our youngest brother, is not here today, and he was waiting for this day to get the closure that we got. But he died, unfortunately, even before he saw his father getting justice. My father himself didn't see either any kind of justice for what he underwent, the torture he underwent. So, as my mom said, we just want an apology and a recognition that the former government really tortured my father, and other women and men and other families also suffered the way we suffered. But we want to thank Mr. Nyamo because we appealed this case for so many years ago, but today we got justice. We are going to sleep at night. We have been having problems sleeping because we didn't know how it was going to go today. But we are thankful, but we just need an apology. But we also believe in forgiveness. For us, it's not about bringing someone to court, but we believe in forgiving so we can be able to take the next step and live our lives in peace.
Anyway, I forgave him a long time ago because our lives had to go on. I will not keep that one. I have nothing against him, but what he did was really, really hurtful to this family.
Oscar Ng'ang'a Mukaru, the oldest son of the late Mukaru Ng'ang'a. And what I'd like to say, we've been chasing this for a very long time. 20 years after his death, we were still chasing this case. But today there was a ruling. We are okay with the ruling because it's not the compensation that's the most important thing. But we will also like an apology. We would like an official apology from the former government, acknowledging what they did during that period to all the detainees. My mom and my sister said, we forgive, and we're not after vengeance, but it's just part of reconciliation that the government apologizes. And that's all I'd like to say.
Please, let us not let this happen again, because now it's a foundation that this will never happen to another family. Because the pain that we felt, burying our father at an early age because of the torture that he underwent, please, let's say this is the last time it's going to happen in our beautiful country, Kenya.
My younger sister couldn't make it today. She's in Sweden, but she'll be very happy for this news. Her name is Alice Mukaru, but she'll be happy that she's got closure.
Yes, and our dead brother, our late Kamau, he couldn't be here, and his last words was, please, let's get a closure so we can move on. Now we are the second generation, we fought for our father, but we are so happy that our kids, the third generation, won't need to come to this court to fight for their grandfather. Thank you very much.
As you've heard from the widow to the deceased petitioner, Mr. Mukaru Ng'ang'a, the matter has come to close. This is a petition that was filed in 1987, long time ago when I was actually in Form 5 myself. Today, 31 years later, the family of Mukaru Ng'ang'a can go home or back to Sweden, where they've just come from, to come and listen to the court's judgment, happy that at least justice has been done. Honorable Justice Chacha Mwita has delivered a Solomonic judgment, which, according to my clients, they are not going, is good enough not to be contested as at now, as money cannot compensate for the loss that they've encountered, the suffering that they've gone through. But the court has found that Professor Mukaru Ng'ang'a was tortured. His rights were violated, and that's what the family really wanted. And that as a deterrent act against such acts by future governments, the court has awarded 15 million shillings as compensation to the family. And it has cited the Matiba case and also Koigi Wamwere case, and it has also awarded costs together with interest. So basically, I'm sure this is a good day for this family and for Kenya, the new Kenya that we have. Thank you. It was a very good judgment.
We really appreciate it.
The recognition
Usijali. Inakuanga mzuri kimix.